The Gravity team was recently able to get together for a company retreat in Costa Rica. While there, I was able to talk to several members of the Gravity team and ask them some questions. Let's check it out.
Hi, my name is Mike Smith, and I am from outside of Minneapolis, Minnesota. I work with the marketing team. I'm the community and partnership lead.
I'm Andrea, and I'm from Kentucky. I am on the support team.
My name is Eduardo. I come from Brazil. I'm in the web ops team.
My name is Alex Cancado, and I am from Brazil. I'm in the product team.
My name is Melissa Jellick-Strohmeyer, and I am from Portland, Oregon. I'm on the marketing team.
My name is Chris Hager. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I am on the customer support team.
I believe that would be Sudoku. That's what keeps my mind sane. Probably Keep. That also keeps my mind sane, help me organize my life. And probably the Chrome browser because internet.
A Narwhal, which is a Reddit reader, the camera app, and Bejeweled Blitz.
The Dark Sky app, Spotify, and Instagram.
My favorite feature is probably the ability to make payments. We've got a lot of options for payment providers to use, and I just think it's a really convenient feature for people that comes up pretty often. After you have a contact form and after you maybe set up your email, taking payments is a pretty popular choice, and I think the variety of choices that we offer is nice to have.
I would say my favorite feature would be the conversational forums because they do bring such a personality to your website and your forms.
I would say my favorite feature is the conditional logic.
Conditional logic is cool. I think that's my favorite. You can do so many things with it.
I love the conversational forms. They are amazing.
I love WordPress because I've been working with it since 2005 and been able to support my family.
One thing I love about WordPress would be the flexibility and customization. I love that they have an extensive library of plugins, and you can pretty much build any website that you dream of.
I love how easy it is to work with WordPress. I think that's fun. To me, has always been the favorite. It's so easy to customize things and to get in there and change and use a filter hook to do whatever you need to do. So I think that's my favorite part of it.
I love the community aspect and the vast array of plugins.
What do I love about WordPress? I love the community. I have not been a lifelong WordPresser. I haven't lived and breathed this life forever. I came at it kind of later. And the one thing that blew me away when I started working with people in the WordPress community is that literal sense of community. It's people from all sorts of backgrounds. It's not all people with developer backgrounds. But there's this sense of when we do better, we all do better. And this genuine desire to get everyone to a better place collectively and work together. And I just think that's a really special, unique thing.
The people in here are amazing. We have a great group of people. Everybody is so open and friendly. You never felt left alone. You never felt like aside. So it's amazing.
The people. I think the people are amazing here, and I'm so happy to be such part of such an amazing team.
So the thing that I really like about the company and the product is really the people. I've always wanted to have a company that everybody has fun working and work well together, and it's so cool to be able to be here and enjoy everybody. So that's my favorite.